afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I am so excited about my new lock set, my pick set, that I have to do another video. This is the ace I picked the other day. I got another ace here that I'm going to try picking right now with my brand new beautiful set. I am really liking this set, guys. It's beautiful. And I feel so confident. I got a brand new set, but let's see what it takes to get in here. We are locked. Before I forget, I seem to be forgetting quite easy. Um, Anybody out there have any challenge locks? I am out, completely out of challenge locks. I have nothing I want to pick as of right now. I know I got some packages coming in, but if any of you guys have any challenges, challenge locks that you want to trade or whatever, I'm game. Yeah, any locks, anything. Um, I'm just about out. I got one left, I believe, and I don't know if I picked it or not, but that's my shout out. If anybody's got any locks for me, I appreciate it. I will get you back. I'm all I've been doing last week is building challenge locks. So let's see what we have on this here. Bottom of the keyway, my brand new set, Law Lock Tools. Nice click out of 1, 2, it'll be on 3. Nice click out of 4. God, I love these picks. They feel so good. Yes, 5. Back to the beginning. They really feel good in your hand. The ones that have the little cutout or whatever, these are sandwiched, but the other ones, they feel great too. Well done, Andrew. Well done. I forgot if you said you were sending something extra in a package, so if I got something extra in here, please let me know. I don't see it, but maybe that's another package. 2. I can barely hold this lock up, man. All right, come on, get that confidence back. Breathe. Okay, well, that was 2, 3. Come on. 4. Nice click out of 5. That'd be on 6. Back to the beginning. 1, 2. Little false set going, I guess. 3. I felt it move in my hand. I should move this over. Okay, I'll move myself back. How about that? That in line with the camera? Good enough. Whew. I hurt my wrist. I don't pick holding the lock. I'm just trying to do that. Been trying to build up my muscles in my wrist. It just hurts. Okay. 1, 2. Nice click out of 3. 4. Ooh. Don't get overconfident. Don't do it. Just pick. Okay, that was a nice click out of 3. 2, 3. 4. Great pick there. Great. The 5, 1, nice click out of 2, 3, ouch. All right, slow down. Yeah, really liking this set though. Got everything you want in this, guys. 4, 5. Got you, baby. Woo! Woo, woo, woo!
That was easy. That was easy.
It wasn't easy, but it was fantastic. It was right on cue, and I liked it, man. Thank you very, very much. I guess I could get. I'm not fucking. I'm not gonna even get it. It don't matter. It don't matter to me right now. I got it. Shit. Really, 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 really fine set. I'm loving this set. Get this off the side. The pinning tray. Okay. German camera. Okay. Come on. Okay. I need a clip. Yes, this was a good one. I liked it. I don't like messing with these small pins, though. I really do hate that. Ow. Okay. I need a follower. Oh, I'm just too excited, guys. Sorry, man. Too excited. I need a shim. Shimmy, shim, shim. See if that'll work. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Damn it. Damn it, Boozy. Bobby. Give me some help. I need help. Fuck. The fucking shim slipped out. Alright. There we go. Well, I'm messing on something up here. Damn it. 2 pins. Alright. Let me get this. Man, I'm sorry. That's what you get for being too excited. Let's just go with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this? Alright, let me put them in order here. Upside down, right side up. I don't like messing with the smaller pins. There's nothing with the core. I mean, yeah, with the core. Let me see what I got in the Bible here. I messed up. We're going to have some squished. Okay. This is one. And again, two. You got a spring that's all knotted up. There it is. Yep. Might as well take the shim out now that it messed up. Okay. So putting this one in number 3 spot. The 4th one here. I'm going to reverse it here. Okay. This one's that one. That one's that one. And I'll have to get the springs out. Okay, I got a couple of springs to replace. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it seemed like it was even easier opening it with my new pick set. Nothing is done to the Bible. While I have it apart, I might as well tap a couple of threads, tap a dance. Let me see, show you what I got. Don't shut off. Don't shut off. All right. Some nice pins here. We'll just get a close up. Standard in 1, serrated, double serrated in 2, double serrated in 3, a double serrated in 4, and so on in 5, just taller pins. 1 slot, beautiful serrations on that. You got a spool in the middle with serrations on the outside, a serrated pin, another spool with serrations on the outside like a dumbbell, and another serrated pin. I don't know, Ace Hardware has